Hey everybody, thanks for joining. Everett Christopher here, aka Photo Loco. So we have a BTS photo shoot video here. This is a example of how you can get creative with some non-traditional lighting. In this video, there's 4 lights that are involved. Obviously the TV is one. We have a Yongnuo 360 light wand, and then we have some string lights in the background. As you can see on the far right in the iPhone video there's some string lights on my bookcase that will add to the ambiance. And then the 4th one is I do incorporate a Godox 360 that's gelled to add a little more color to the scene. I don't show every single photo I took, but kind of reference photos throughout, some of my favorites from the session. And then I will create a follow-up video showing editing of those particular photos. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see here. This will encourage me to create more videos like this. Enjoy, guys.
It lifts you up a little more. That's a little better, yeah. Okay. Okay. If possible, can you position your body so you can be a little closer to the TV? Yeah, because you're kind of far away from it. You almost want to be like touching it, like you want to be real close. Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Good, good, beautiful, good.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. Yeah, absolutely. Good. Awesome. Maybe a couple where you're looking into the TV, almost like you're looking at your reflection or looking at something in it. Yeah, there you go. Good. Do me a favor, look at the TV. Yeah, there you go. Do that. Hold that. Hold that. Good. Beautiful. There you go. Oh, that's pretty. Good, good. Okay, 1 second. Let me turn on this light, see if this adds any effect. Pretty good. Good. Okay, and a couple look at me on a couple of these. Good. Okay. Good. Okay, and just give me one. So I'm gonna switch out the color on this light, and we'll take a few more. Woo! I get real hot when I'm shooting because I hold my breath a lot because I want it to steady the picture. And so like hold on, I'm like afterwards.
Especially videography, right?
Oh, I bet. Yeah, right.
To get that touch of my skin.
You have beautiful skin.
Thank you. But I don't like the wrinkles.
Wait till you get to be my age. Okay, let's see. Double checking here. Oh, beautiful. Good, good. Good. You have the prettiest face. What are you talking about? You don't like the wrinkles.
when I make the smiling a lot, then my eyes has the.
Oh, I love those though. That's part of those are great. Can you move your hair on this side a little bit over your eye, a little bit, like a little bit of mystery? Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh, that's so pretty. Good. There you go. Good. 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 Let me where's my remote? Oh, here it is. Oh, I was just gonna. Okay, I wanted it to be that color because it was showing green. Yeah, that looks really nice. Good. Beautiful. Good. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Good, 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 good. Good. Okay, and then can we do, let me change this color too. Can we do a few, so you've done quite a few with your head into the TV like this and looking around. Now can we do some with you facing, maybe leaning your head against the TV like that? Yeah. And then I'm gonna change this color. Very beautiful, good. Okay. Good. Yes, that's beautiful. Beautiful expression. Great. Let's take a look. If you want, for a few of these, can you do this thing where you actually kind of lean up against the TV a little bit? Yeah. There you go. Yeah, you might have to squat down a little bit to do it. Is it too hard? Let's see. There you go. Yeah, that works. Yeah, you can put a little bit of pressure on there, not too much. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, it's okay. That's perfect, Hold that. Let me get down low with you here. Good. And just a few more. Good, there you go, good, beautiful. Okay, cool. I think that's good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Well, thanks for sticking with me through the video. This wraps up the photo shoot portion of this shoot. And next, we're going to have a video that shows you the editing. You should see that link in the description and also right above. See you there, guys.